Welcome back to another episode of Lucid Daily, and if you could not tell, that was what the Lucid app looks like. Now, I'm not sure exactly what the app looked like before, or if there's any brand new updates to it, but that is exactly what the app looks like now, and it's actually a pretty sleek app. It looks pretty similar to the Tesla's. It also does look like it functions with the Apple Watches, so that's pretty cool. But let's go ahead and dive into today's news. Lucid was hit today. They were down 4.15%. They were up 0.5% in the after hours. Lucid is now trading for $25.40 a share. Tesla down 1.5% as well, down a little over 15% in the after hours. Tesla is being affected just slightly by the Shanghai lockdown with everything that's going on over there. So hopefully Tesla can get back on into production soon in China. Rivian was down 3.4%, up 1/3% in the after hours. So overall, the EV market took a slight hit today, but it's all right. We've had a great rally this week. And just as we watched, the Lucid app looks great. You can control the climate. You get notified when the car is charged, and you even can update your Lucid Air from afar, from your phone. And it looks like you can track the progress on your watch. So a super cool app. And yeah, I'd love to see other features that come along with the app. Next, I'm not sure why this was announced today, but it was. It says, in case you missed it, Lucid Motors announced that GTC22, that current and future vehicles are built on the scalable high-performance NVIDIA Drive Hyperion. I still can't pronounce that word. I know that one of you guys help me pronounce that down in the comments. I'll go take a look at that. But yeah, this is extremely exciting for Lucid going forward. I do want to continue to see the Lucid Drive, NVIDIA Drive continue to progress. It seems like the pace of innovation for NVIDIA Drive is not as fast as per se Tesla. Obviously, that comes with number of vehicles on the road, and hopefully the more vehicles that Lucid gets on the road, hopefully they can continue to update that. Obviously, I'm not driving it. Or I don't have any videos of Dream Drive enabled with all of the features. So I still think that we are at the very early beginnings of it. I think with the GrandTourings, the more numbers that people get out, the number of vehicles that Lucid produces, hopefully we can cross that threshold and we can start to get some really good data back to Lucid and back to NVIDIA. That way the AI can continue to get better and better, and Lucid can continue to grow into that $40-ish billion valuation. So again, everything's on the up and up. We're in the Q1 was today, so hopefully all the Dream editions are delivered and we can move on to the GrandTouring and so on and so forth. But there was not a ton of news at all today. There were just these couple of things in that video that Lucid put out. So if you enjoyed these Lucid videos on a daily perspective, consider subscribing, and I really appreciate you guys' support thus far. And like always, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.